If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To change the font settings of a PDF conversion settings preset in Adobe Acrobat, click the Fonts Settings category underneath the expanded view of the PDF conversion settings preset in the Adobe PDF Settings dialog box. The fonts settings determine which fonts to embed in a PDF. Acrobat can embed many different font types and font subsets. Fonts with an applied license restriction appear within the font list beneath the font source with a lock icon next to the font name. You can click one of these fonts if they appear to view the nature of its restriction in the Adobe PDF Options dialog box. Also note that if you attempt to combine PDF files containing the same font subset, Acrobat tries to combine the font subsets. To embed all fonts in the PDF, check the Embed All Fonts checkbox. This setting is required for PDFX compliance. To embed all OpenType fonts in the PDF, check the Embed OpenType Fonts checkbox. Note that this option is only available if Acrobat 7 PDF 1.6 or Acrobat 8 PDF 1.7 or later was selected from the Compatibility dropdown in the General category. To embed only a subset of characters from a font if the percentage of characters used in the PDF falls below a threshold percentage. Check the Subset Embedded Fonts when percent of characters used is less than checkbox, and then enter the threshold percentage into the field to the right of this setting. To choose what Acrobat should do when font embedding fails, select either Ignore, Warn and Continue, or Cancel Job from the When Embedding Fails dropdown. To select a folder on your computer that contains fonts, use the Font Source dropdown in the Embedding section. The fonts within the selected folder then appear in the list below the dropdown. If needed, to manually embed fonts instead of embedding all fonts, uncheck the Embed All Fonts checkbox at the top of this category. To then always embed a selected font, select a font in the font source list and click the Add button to the left of the Always Embed list. To never embed a selected font, select a font in the font source list and then click the Add button to the left of the Never Embed list. Alternatively, to manually add a font by name to either the Always Embed or Never Embed lists, click the Add Name button below the Never Embed list to open the Add Font dialog box. Then type the font name into the Add the Font field and select either the Always Embed list or Never Embed list option button. Then click the Add button in the dialog box to manually add the named font to the selected list. Then click the Done button when finished. To manually remove a font from either the Always Embed or Never Embed lists, click the name of the font to remove in the desired list to select it. Then click the Remove button below the Never Embed list to remove the font from the selected list. Note that this only removes the font from the selected list and it does not remove it from your computer. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.